SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, a new era in space exploration begins. Imagine a world where space travel is as routine as catching a flight. That's the world SpaceX is building for us. Today, we dive deep into SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, the most powerful operational rocket on Earth, and its mysterious passenger, X-37B. The Falcon Heavy, with its 27 Merlin engines, can lift more than twice the payload of the next closest operational vehicle, the Delta IV Heavy. But what's truly fascinating is its elusive cargo, the X-37B. An unmanned spacecraft, the X-37B is shrouded in mystery and speculation. Operated by the U.S. Space Force, the X-37B's exact mission remains classified. Yet its capabilities hint at a future of autonomous space exploration. Join us as we unravel the secrets of SpaceX's Falcon Heavy and the intriguing X-37B, heralding a new dawn in space exploration.